Hi there. Are you ready to take your English up to the next level? You've mastered the grammar, you probably know your idioms, but do you really speak like a native? Well, today I'm sharing 30 fixed expressions, British fixed expressions, that we use all the time in everyday life. These aren't your typical idioms or slang. They're fixed, non-idiomatic phrases that will help you sound both natural and precise. So stick around, because these expressions can transform your fluency, making your English sharper, clearer, and full of character. And whether you're preparing for exams, work, or casual conversations, I've got you covered with real-life examples for every phrase. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Take into account. To consider something when making a decision. We need to take into account the weather before planning the trip. Give someone a hand. To help someone with something. Could you give me a hand with these bags? Make a difference. To have a significant effect on something. Volunteering can really make a difference in poor communities. Take part in. To participate in an activity. She took part in the charity run last weekend. Give it a go. To try something. I've never tried sushi before, but I'll give it a go. Come to a conclusion. To reach a decision after consideration. We finally came to a conclusion after hours of discussion. Have a word with. To talk to someone briefly. I need to have a word with you about tomorrow's meeting. Make an effort. To try hard to do something. He made an effort to arrive on time for once. Take responsibility for. To accept the duty of dealing with something. She took responsibility for the project's success. Give someone a lift. To drive someone to their destination. Can you give me a lift to the station, please? Have a laugh. To joke or have fun. We had a good laugh at the pub last night. Make a point of. To make a deliberate effort to do something. She made a point of thanking everyone personally. Take a break. To stop working for a short time. Oh, let's take a break and grab a coffee. Give credit to. To acknowledge someone's contribution or effort. We must give credit to the team for their hard work. Make a mistake. To do something wrong. Everyone makes mistakes from time to time. Take time off. To take a break from work. I'm planning to take some time off next month. Make a decision to choose something after thinking about it. We need to make a decision by the end of the week. Give a talk. To speak to an audience on a particular topic. He gave a talk on climate change at the conference. Take a chance. To risk something in the hope of a positive outcome. Sometimes you just have to take a chance and see what happens. Take advantage of. To use an opportunity to your benefit. She took advantage of the sale and bought a new laptop. Give a call. To phone someone. I'll give you a call later to discuss the details. Make an impression. To create an impact or influence on someone. He made a good impression at the interview. Take into consideration. To include something in your thinking when making a decision. We should take into consideration the feedback from the team. Give permission. To allow someone to do something. The manager gave me permission to work from home. Make progress. To move forward in development. She's made a lot of progress in her English speaking. Take note of. To pay attention to something. Please take note of the new changes in the policy. Make a list. To write down items, sometimes in a sequence. I need to make a list before going shopping. Take turns. To alternate doing something. We took turns driving on the long journey. Give notice. To formally inform someone of your intention to leave a job. She gave her notice at work last week. Make time for. To find the time to do something. You should make time for exercise every day. Would you like more? Well, I'm planning to produce 200 of these. We've just done 30, so we've got 170 to go. So make sure that you subscribe and like. And of course, leave any comment. Thanks for watching, and remember that fluency isn't about speaking faster, it's about speaking smarter. So, see you next time on High Flyer English. Bye for now.